I am Forgeman, and together with Everyday Gamer Juna, we too organize and run Camp Citizen Germany. Camp Citizen, not Bar Citizen? 2020 we had the idea to organize a Bar Citizen for our community. The hook? We are spread all over the country. Therefore it had to be either central, which would still have been 300 to 400 kilometers for some, or it had to be a whole weekend to make it worthwhile. From this idea, the first Camp Citizen was born in 2021. The first year there were 20 people from Germany and Austria. Longest journey? A visitor drove over 900 kilometers just for the weekend. The camp is located in Losheim on the campsite directly on the reservoir. The campsite offers us normal places for normal camping and glamping places. Glamping? Fixed tents with bed and refrigerator and all the comfort you can wish for. An outdoor kitchen and a central meeting point in the middle of the site with a huge pavilion just for us. Arrive and everything is all ready. What are we doing? Friday is all about arriving. In the evening we'll have a barbecue and drink something together. Schmaltz. Highlight of Friday last year was Zolle, who cooked us all original Hungarian goulash in the cauldron, 12 hours long over the campfire. Amazing. Saturday is the heart of the Camp Citizen. The public Bar Citizen, and at noon there is a small tournament with cornboard and other fun games. Furthermore, you have the possibility to play the Squadrons card game in full scale, because someone will bring the prototypes to show them and you can watch and play them on the spot. On Saturday there will be exclusive for all Bar Citizen visitors the early supporter card number 5, which will be unveiled there. If all this is not enough program for you, you can talk with Chris Harrow about the Gian language and have your name translated into Gian. He will also be there with the Gian workshop. Sunday is unfortunately already the end. A common breakfast with everyone together and cleaning up and leaving the campsite. If you want more infos can be found on the camp Discord and the camp Twitter.